Welcome to the City Buzz Modcast. Today, I want to talk about support, and what it means to be independent. All right, that's what I want to talk about today. I want to talk about support and what it means to be independent. And I know there are a lot of independent artists out there who may or may not have music published, who may not even know how to publish music. So this is why I want to talk to y'all. I want to talk to everybody who is striving, everybody who is grinding, on the grindstone to make things happen, and to feel like things ain't popping fast enough. They feel like the money ain't moving in fast enough, that check ain't coming, or that bag ain't coming in fast enough. I'm talking to you. You can't expect everybody to support you. You can't expect everybody to be on what you on. Because some people, it's about themselves. Some people don't care what you want. They don't care about supporting you, because unless you actually got some money in your hand, and then they want to come to the side, you know what I mean? Throw some money on the picture. See how many phone calls you get, how many extra motherfuckers pop up in your vicinity, you know what I'm saying? See how many extra motherfuckers pop up to check you out, see what you got going on that you haven't seen in a very long time. Just try that little exercise right there. You can try this at home. It's not hazardous. What I would like to do is cue up this here music here, but it seems like the thing's not working properly like it's supposed to. But anyway, we're gonna make this happen one way or the other. I just want to talk to you about that. Never expect somebody to do something for you, because nothing is owed. Don't nobody owe you shit. Don't ever expect somebody to do something. Expect the motherfucker to do exact opposite of what the fuck you was expecting him to do the first time. Expect, if you're gonna expect anything. I'm just saying, this is Friday, and you know how we go. It's right out there. It's all on the table. We put it on the dashboard. You can read it, or you can walk away from it. But at the end of the day, you got to make your moves. Get your paperwork in order. Don't worry about what the next person, how they feel about what you got going on. Being paranoid about somebody, the invisible ass motherfucker that really ain't even thinking about you. No one cares. No one cares, really. You got people out here feeling some kind of way, artists and promoters and all this type of shit. They feeling some kind of way, and you know what I'm saying? Half the shit that you doing is the same thing that's already been done before. Do something different. Do something else that not been done before. You know, don't revise the old shit and say, well, we doing this right here, this the new. It's not new. All you did is revise some shit. You take fucking 2 blades off a 4-blade fan, it's still a damn fan. It just got 2 blades on the motherfucker. Damn. You take all the tires off the car, it's still a damn car at the end of the day. You just can't go no damn way in that motherfucker. But yeah, the moral of the story is, don't expect nobody to be as passionate about what you're doing as you are about what you're doing. Because that, when you do that, all you do is make yourself depressed and all the other things that come with that. You know, when you get all feeling like, okay, well, such and such is going to be there, and then motherfucker don't show up. Okay, Maybe he had something to do. Maybe he wasn't feeling well. You know, maybe she just didn't want to come. But that doesn't stop your flame from burning in your fire. You got to keep your fire going from here. Keep your mind focused on what you got to do to advance yourself in your career. That's in anything you're doing. Whether it's working on a job or you got to support yourself, support your career moves by working a job. Hey, you got a show coming up. You got to go hustle. Got to get that extra grind money. You know, ain't nothing wrong with that. It's been done, and it's going to keep on being done. So if you're not a signed artist, but you are established in some form or fashion, then you understand what I'm talking about. And for those of you who don't, then we'll wait. You know, in all honesty and all fairness, you know, that dedication and all that work that you're putting in, it's not going unnoticed. Somebody heard you somewhere, either yesterday, today, and they're going to hear you again tomorrow. So keep pushing, keep striving, and do what you do. And at the end of the day, sit back, burn one, and drink one, and whatever you do one, some may be doing two, you know. or you know, there's six in that case. But whatever you're doing, do you, and have a good time and enjoy yourself.
Awesome!
And this has been another episode of the City Buzz Mobcast. It's brief and to the point, and we'll drop some music, the video on there for you. We got some new things coming from Grow Boy 2 down in New Orleans. Got some new music from Grow Boy 2 jumping off on here, and got some new music from Mista Solo. You know, you always got that. Keep it coming. I keep it coming. I keep it banging. I keep it hot. I go hard in the paint. For real. Super hard in the paint. And everybody know me, know how I do. There's a lack of collaboration in the city of Cleveland. I don't know if it's a different energy that the country folk give off or what it is, but there's been I feel like it's a lack of collaboration, and there seems to be an order of segregation and separation, but at the same time, you know what I'm saying, don't just talk the talk and don't walk the damn walk, because I'm going to be right there up on you, and I'm going to be right there to let you know what it is. I ain't going to mention damn word. No, not damn word. I'm going to tell it like a T out of Z, you feel me? And when we get through at the end of the week, or the end of the week, or the end of the month, we all going to be able to learn something. Unity can be achieved by you putting your head together with somebody else. Regardless of what somebody told you about such and such, you don't know, check them out. Check them out. Give them a feel. See how they move. See, I learned one thing. How you get to know somebody, you take them out in public. Take them out to a drinking spot. Get some drinks. See how they act with that oil in them. You feel me? If they ain't acting right, he can't have that oil anymore. Hey, you already know. He ain't gonna be worth a damn doing business. You feel me? That part right there. But we gonna keep it moving. This has been the City Buzz Mobcast. I love y'all, and I thank y'all for y'all support. And I thank God, first of all, for letting us wake up to see another day, and may we continue to see many more. And we're going to rock on. We're going to rock on, and we're going to keep it live. Yes, sir. City Buzz Mobcast. If you ain't heard the buzz, you ain't heard City Buzz.
Hey. I am not your average. I've been around them savages, picking up them packages and stacking them like mattresses. I am not your average. I've been around them savages, picking up them packages and stacking them like mattresses. Straight savage like what? Solo in there. Church. Bama. Hey. I'm not your average savage crying tatted tears. You want an idea it is. To the war zone from the battlefield, from the old field up to Scoville. Get a cold chill, nigga hold still. I done flashback where the road is. I done ripped it out, I been sipping sauce. They done locked me out what the code is. Savage life ain't afraid of thunder. I'ma take off on them like 100 something. Locked and loaded like 100 something. I'm a savage nigga, tell your mama something. You possess the game like the furniture company. Blow these flowers on the funky monkey. Big, thick, good, I love them chunky. Ain't no use in beefing, it's a bunch of money. Dripping on them like the faucet running. It's a false report, they say they saw me running. I done been up on it, they done saw me gunning. Ask your baby mama, she done see me coming. Heavyweight, I put the pressure on them. Hit them hard, leave impressions on them. Bitch niggas got dresses on them. Ain't no savage, hit them, put suppression on them. Hey! Shut your mouth. You ain't got nothing to talk about, nigga. Stand back, stand down. I am not your average. I've been around them savages, picking up them packages and stacking them like mattresses. I am not your average. I've been around them savages, picking up.
Check it out.
Hey, move, nigga. I'm hungry like a pigeon. I ain't gonna get it, being broke in my religion. Move, nigga. I ain't going to prison. Building up a legacy. I'm trying to see my vision. Move, nigga. I'm hungry like a pigeon. I'ma go and get it, being broke in my religion. Move, nigga. I ain't going to prison.
Let it stack, make it hard, bring it back. I go hard on the track, I go hard in the track. Let it stack, make it hard, bring it back. I go hard on the track, going hard in the track. I stay trapping. I stay trapping, I stay trapping. I stay trapping, I stay trapping. I stay trapping. Trapaholic, make it hard, trapaholic. A little warm water on my hammer and baking soda, rock it up and hit your corner. Some were built, some were made, I was born a real nigga since day one, got it on. Ain't even gotta talk about the hate known. But when I pull up to they face, son, the hate never shown. I'm all about the cake, fuck a beef, boy, I'm grown. For you hear me sitting in the cell, bet you leave me alone, could punch it out. But I left them days in the past, living in the now. We ain't talking about the cash, fuck we even talking about. Most rappers only getting paid just to run their mouth. I'm 12 different hustles with the money, never running out. Pull up to the lake with a bunny, have a blooming out. Early in the day while it's sunny, people walking round. Gun 7 till there's nothing left, I'ma thug it out. Bitch niggas plotting on my dead boy, cut it out. I ain't hard to find, you already know my stomping grounds. Difference is you limit to yours, son, I get around. East side, nigga, not each side. Nigga, don't make me fuck around and show my B-side. Nigga, blood of a slave with the mind of a dome. Some were built, some were made, I was born to get it on. Haters might come close, but they won't go the distance. Can't stop an no nigga from winning, go and get it. Lames might imitate, but these hoes know the difference. Can't stop an no nigga from winning, go and get it. Haters might come close, but they won't go the distance. Can't stop an no nigga from winning, go and get it. Lames might imitate, but these hoes know the difference. Can't stop an no nigga from winning, go and get it.
Can't stop an no nigga from winning. Boy, you better know it. For sure, I'ma reap what I sow in. About that tree, the best of it where I'm growing. Flowing for the believers who knowing where they going. Straight to the top from the low end. Cool breeze blowing at my folk crib. Check that bullshit before you go in. Mike with that good vibe only. They say the top get lonely. Never right here, I got the truth all on me. In my youth, I had them guys acting bad for the homies. Back on it like I never left. More than a moment. Ask me if I'm behind it all. Shit, I'ma own it and do some more of that. She feel it, she gon' throw it back. A major hack. Game gone digital, but business is still business, buddy. What that percentage do? Or doing, you winning or you ruin. I'm a blessing, I brought that good weather with me when I flew in.
Haters might come close, but they won't go the distance. Can't stop an no nigga from winning, go and get it. Lames might imitate, but these hoes know the difference. Can't stop an no nigga from winning, go and get it. Haters might come close, but they won't go the distance. Can't stop an no nigga from winning, go and get it. Lames might imitate, but these hoes know the difference. Can't stop an no nigga from winning, go and get it. Grow boy too.